Hello! Today we will draw a rocket, stars and planets. We will make a very bright and beautiful space picture. We need very big brush, a cup of water, watercolor paints and crayons. I have these crayons. Okay, let's start. Take the crayons out of the box. I have many colors. So beautiful. I take yellow crayon. Let's draw stars. Yellow stars. Okay. Big stars and small stars. There are many stars in space. I draw one more star here and there. Some stars are big and some stars are small. And here, one more star. Very good. Nice. Now take a green crayon. Let's draw the rocket. In the middle of the paper, draw two lines, like this. Now join them at the top. This is the top of the rocket. At the bottom, just join them with one line. Now the wings. One wing. Okay. And two wings. Nice. Let's color the wings with our crayons. Great. Now draw a circle in the middle. This is the window. Now we color the rocket. Choose any color you want. I use green color. And blue. It looks very good. Blue rocket. And here. Good job. I color the window orange. Orange window. The rocket flies in space. It has a fire tail. I draw the fire with a red crayon. Whoosh! The rocket is very fast. Now I add some orange fire. How beautiful! I like this bright fire tail. Now let's draw a planet. I take a red crayon and draw a circle. Color it red. It's a red planet. This planet has a ring. Draw it like this. Now I take a brown crayon for a small circle. Color it too. Look, a comet. Draw a circle and a long tail. The comet is in space. I draw another planet, an orange one. Color it. Great. And some rays. These are blue stars. Good. And here, they look like diamonds. Space is so interesting. We can draw spirals too. Spiral. These are galaxies, far, far away. Big and small spirals. I add more stars. Orange stars. Good. One more here. Nice. And here, I'll draw an alien. He flies in his blue rocket. Color it blue. And draw a window. The alien has one eye. Oops. And I color him green. and add some blue. Let's draw one more spiral and more blue stars. Blue star here and here. Good. Now a satellite. Draw a circle and two stripes inside. Color the stripes. Now draw 4 legs for the satellite. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I color my satellite red. Good. Now let's add more stars and more spirals. What a bright picture we have. There are lots of stars in the space. I like this bright space picture. It's amazing. Now let's draw one more star here and there. Okay. Now take a tissue. Let's clean the picture. We remove the extra crayons. Good. Now take the big brush, dip it in water. Take black watercolor, a lot of paint. Add more water and mix water and black paint. Mix it. Okay, now look, it's time for magic. Are you ready? Let's paint. Whoa! Paint the whole picture black. The stars are so bright. Oh. Now take more paint. And cover the whole paper. I like it so much. Color it carefully. And if you need, add more water and more paint. Water and paint. I see the rocket, the stars, galaxies, and planets. So beautiful. Great. We almost done. I see the satellite now. A little more paint here. It's great. I love it. Good. Now I wipe some paint from the rocket. Just a little bit. Like this. Look, what a beautiful picture we made. A rocket, stars, an alien, a comet, and a satellite. A real space picture. Thank you for drawing with me today. Bye bye.